Okay, y'all, so I'm back with another AI project. I typed in Mario and Luigi holding Valentine's Day goodies on a white background. This is what I got. I do want to let it be noted that I have previously attempted to get a black Mario and Luigi, and this is kind of the result. So it's really just giving me one black character at a time, even though I prompted individually, like how I have brown skinned here, brown skinned here. That was my other attempt. And then another one, African American. You see what we get. And then again, you see what we get. So I was over it and I wanted to make something really quick. And then I put black and then I got literal black, black, black. Okay. So, Bing is not my favorite, I guess. But to me, it is more prone to giving you those, I guess, copyrighted images or whatever, copywritten images. In Discord for Midjourney, not so much. Well, I actually stopped trying after a while because it was so easy to get those images here on Bing. Characters like the Grinch, you can get that kind of thing on Midjourney. But the point of this video is to show you guys how my airbrush template works. I just downloaded that image, so I have my template up here. Super simple and easy. Because I wanted to have this glow effect, the placement of my image is going to be right here. So I'm actually gonna put a create a layer. So input add. No, I don't want it on top of the. I'm gonna put add images here, but I want it below my name. Boop, boop, boop. And the thing about this template, I'm constantly working on it. So if you get it, you will continue to get updates and updates. Like this heart is something that I added. I'm going to show you guys how it works. So let's make it a lot less condensed. Let's make it condensed to kind of be palatable. And right here, I just added these extra accents because I feel like when you do each name, you kind of want to have your own accents to, make it look custom. But essentially, I have these 4 areas. Right now, I'm working with this text. This is the other text that you have, which you could very well pop that right in like that. But since I'm working with this, I'm going to go to background, which I have this heart as an accent because it was an accent that I blew up. So I'm just going to cut it off. Real simple. Close this, go to text. And even if you click here, the edit text here. So I'm going to double click that and add this name instead. X out, yes. And let's pop in an image. First, we're going to have to remove the background, but that's fine. And if you are familiar with Photoshop, you know that they now have an option to do that. That kind of makes it simple. So since we're working with this right here, this is where we I definitely want the image behind the name. So that is, let me see, let's move this up here. I have add images here. So with that click, I'm going to import my image. Oh, that's not it. Let's go to downloads. Boom. Pop that baby in. You see how it has that outline? That's why I wanted it to go there. Okay. But just let it go or hit commit. But I want to remove background and we'll see how good it does. I could see some problems being here, which is not a huge deal for me. So I'm going to move this up. this image. I'm gonna move this up. Actually, I see what I'm gonna have to do is, because this has changed the color of it, which is fine, I'm going to make this a clipping mat so that it won't change the color of my Mario and Luigi. Right. Let me see. Let's move this. Let's make an image folder. What did I do when I made this clipping mask? What did it change? Okay, so I want my text to stay the same, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna make a new folder, and this probably make it easier on you guys. New folder here. I mean, new group. Make sure this is out of this. Okay. So basically, here I need to make a new folder. I want it under the text. So for this group, what I put in this group, sorry that I'm working this out with you. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna delete this group because it's really nothing. I'm gonna move this here, but I want this same outer glow effect. So I'm just gonna copy layer style and paste the layer style here. So boom, we're still Airbrush City, still making it do what it do. There could have been a little better cleanup here for my image. I'm gonna go to it and see if I can just remove some more of that white. But there is a stick there, so I could see it being a little problematic. Let's see, let's take it down to like 5. To me, it's not really worth it. Let me see. Yeah, that kind of looks crazy. No, thank you. So I'm going to go. Where is my history? Sometimes when you get to working, you don't see all. Oh, even the background cleanup wasn't the best. So I'm actually going to take this image and go to remove .bg, which is now like a Canva situation, which is cool. If you use Canva, and if you want some Canva tutorials, we can get into that a little later. But Canva is a little gold mine for people if you figure out how to use it. So boom, it has everything gone that I need gone. So I'm gonna download this image and replace the other one. Back to Photoshop. So I could delete this, but I'm just going to file, place in here. Look how nice and clean it is. There is a smidge of an error right here, but totally insignificant, if we're being honest. Bringing it in here. And you see, with it being smaller, because this is an outer glow, you're not going to get a glow. You're going to get a glow on the outermost object, if that makes sense. Delete that. Boom. Now this is the outermost image. So I'm going to change the size on it. I'm super excited about this. Because this is like just another element to my template. So even here with this name and the text, I'm gonna just bring the text down. Hold on. Edit, free transform text. Sometimes I use that to just kind of make things simple for me. With okay. And personally, I want to keep this kind of connected to where it's just kind of right there. Or I can make this so big and then fade away. Hold on. And then fade away. So you want that to show for sure. Let's make this a little smaller. Do. And this is what I meant with the accents. If it doesn't make sense here, then move it. And that's why I do it at the end. So these are kind of connected, these black ones. Also, accents. Can any go? Yep, those can go. So boom, this will be a cute little pocket photo situation. I like it. I'm going to save it and I'm going to print it. File, save as a PNG. And I have something already going. That's what made me want to Mario. He's going to be so happy. So boom. And I'm going to put that in my, because I didn't want to waste space. If you look, I have this empty space here. It's already going to cut across the 20. So might as well show you guys what this template can do. Look at that. Look at that. Quick, simple. Let's get it nested in here. Let's bring it way down to like 8. We can get away with 8. Pop that in here. Put it right over here. And I didn't go crazy with the other accents. And I could have even said be mine or something like that. I'm going to change the color profile a little bit. It is set in RGB. Let's give priority to what is embedded. That kind of changes things. Let me make it bigger so you can see. So I'm taking that off. You see, that kind of keeps things a little orangey. Popping that in. Also, what I did like was relative color. I like that. So it kind of darkens it up. I'll show you the difference between what I'm printing here. Like this I've done the same thing, right? So, yeah, I like it. I love it. What can I fit here? So let me go back to our this, and I'm going to edit the text because it is so simple and because I don't want to waste space at all. Double click here. You can change fonts. You can do whatever you want here. I do have 2 separate texts. What I really just like to do is just duplicate so I can kind of keep about the same sizing and turn off the original and double click and change it to what I want it. Oh, actually, what if we do the Mario text? Let me type out the name first. Complete one thought at a time. This being a smaller name, then I would take my size up just because I like to max it out. Let's see what 7 looks like. 7 didn't really overdo it. Let's keep going. To me, that's good enough. Boom, boom, boom. But we'll see how it, so I can just simply, X out here. Yes. And it populates. So you don't want it this big. And I knew that was going to happen, but I mean, not history, doggone it. Layers. Because I did just close it out. Double click. And let's change the font first. Mario. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Take it down to like 750 or 700. Still, you don't want it to be too close to the edges. So let's take it to 650. Let's take it to 625. Okay, that should be good for me. Happy medium. Happy medium. Close it out. Boom. Also, I want it a little bit over. Boom, boom, boom. And down a little more. Okay. File. Save a copy. No telling what I have saved for that. So finally, I'm going to print, and I'm gonna go live on TikTok. Maybe I should go live on here. Downloads. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Same thing. I'm gonna take this down so much in size because it's for a baby. But look how vibrant, like look, not vibrant. Would you call this saturated? Either way, it's not the colors that I'm looking for. So give priority, boom, and then from there, relative color. Gives me the colors that I really wanted, right? For me, I like this richness of. Let's take the size down. You don't need a, what is this? An Edge Print Pro tutorial because I have some on here. Putting it in here. Okay, you can make this bigger, I see. Okay, so now we're good. We're ready to print. Nesting, then basic. I want it to cut per job. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, I will be sure to add in, or probably have a part 2. It's already a 20-minute video. Add this in so that you can see the finished results. If you're on my TikTok or anything, you'll see it immediately because I'm most likely going to press there. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helps. And if you need my template, you know where to find me. Bye.